In this range, I want to check the maximum sales value. For this purpose, max function is used. Max function returns the largest value in a set of values. It ignores logical values and text values. In number 1 box, select this cell references range. Click OK. The large sale value in this range is $541. As a result, max function returns $541 in this cell. This function ignores text values, logical values, and blank cells. It returns only largest value in this range. To determine smallest value in this range, min function is used. Active this cell. Click min function. In number 1 box, select this cell references range. Click OK. The small sale value in this range is $56. As a result, min function returns $56 in this cell. The smallest or largest values can be checked by using auto button. First, select the cell references range. Click auto sum arrow button. Click max. Auto button returns the maximum sale values at the end of selected range. Similarly, to determine smallest value in this range, click auto sum arrow button. Click min function. The maximum or minimum sale values can be determined by another way. First, select this range. Right click on status bar. This bar is called status bar. Right click. Check maximum. Status bar shows maximum value $541. Check minimum. Status bar shows minimum sale value $56. Check numerical count and average. So it is easy to determine maximum or minimum values in the range values.